Learn about 150 different tool names to understand their unique functions, uses, and importance in making work easier and more efficient. Let's learn together. Hammer. Drives nails and breaks hard materials. Screwdriver. Tightens or loosens screws. Pliers. Grips, bends, or cuts wires. Adjustable wrench. Tightens or loosens variable size nuts and bolts. Allen key. Turns hexagonal socket screws. Socket wrench. Quickly tightens or loosens nuts and bolts. Combination wrench. Tightens bolts with open and ring ends. Pipe wrench. Grips and turns metal pipes. Needle nose pliers. Reaches small spaces for gripping wires. Slip joint pliers. Adjusts to grip different objects. Vise grip. Locks tightly onto materials. Chisel. Cuts or shapes wood and metal. Punch. Marks or drives objects before drilling. File. Smooths sharp or rough surfaces. Hand saw. Manually cuts wood. Coping saw. Cuts fine curves in wood or plastic. Hacksaw. Cuts metal or plastic pipes. Utility knife. Cuts cardboard or sheet materials. Putty knife. Spreads putty or removes paint. Crowbar. Leverages and pries open nailed boards. Claw hammer. Drives and removes nails. Rubber mallet. Applies gentle impact without damage. Staple gun. Fastens materials with staples. Caulking gun. Applies sealant along joints. Hand plane. Smooths wood surfaces. Spanner. Tightens or loosens nuts. Torque wrench. Applies controlled torque to fasteners. Pipe cutter. Cuts pipes cleanly. Tin snips. Cuts thin sheet metal. Wire cutter. Cuts electrical wires. Electric drill. Drills holes or drives screws. Impact driver. Drives screws with high torque. Angle grinder. Grinds, cuts, or polishes metal. Circular saw. Makes straight cuts in wood or metal. Jigsaw. Cuts curves or complex shapes. Reciprocating saw. Cuts wood and metal rapidly. Table saw. Makes precise straight cuts. Miter saw. Cuts materials at exact angles. Band saw. Cuts smooth curves or thick stock. Scroll saw. Makes intricate fine cuts. Rotary tool. Grinds, sands, or carves small items. Belt sander. Smooths wooden surfaces. Orbital sander. Sands and polishes surfaces. Heat gun. Removes paint or shrinks plastic. Air compressor. Powers pneumatic tools. Nail gun. Drives nails quickly. Power planer. Smooths and levels wood. Electric screwdriver. Tightens screws automatically. Router. Shapes edges and hollows wood. Drill press. Drills precise vertical holes. Wet tile saw. Cuts ceramic or stone tiles. Bench grinder. Sharpens and shapes metal tools. Power washer. Cleans surfaces with high pressure water. Demolition hammer. Breaks concrete or stone. Impact wrench. Removes or tightens bolts fast. Rotary hammer drill. Drills concrete with impact force. Paint sprayer. Applies paint evenly. Chainsaw. Cuts trees and logs. Lawn mower. Cuts grass evenly. Leaf blower. Blows leaves and debris. Measuring tape. Measures length and distance. Ruler. Measures short straight lengths. Caliper. Measures internal or external dimensions. Vernier caliper. Measures precise dimensions. Micrometer. Measures very small thicknesses. Spirit level. Checks horizontal or vertical alignment. Laser level. Projects a laser line for alignment. Protractor. Measures or marks angles. Square. Checks right angles. Combination square. Measures and marks multiple angles. Chalk line. Marks long straight lines. Feeler gauge. Measures small gaps. Measuring wheel. Measures long ground distances. Stud finder. Locates studs behind walls. Moisture meter. Measures water content in materials. Snips. Cuts sheet metal and aluminum. Bolt cutter. Cuts bolts, rods, and chains. Glass cutter. Scores glass for clean breaks. Hole saw. Cuts circular holes. Pipe reamer. Removes burrs from pipe ends. Punch and die set. Creates holes in metal sheets. Wire stripper. Removes insulation from wires. Tile cutter. Cuts ceramic tiles precisely. Plasma cutter. Cuts metal using hot plasma. Trowel. Spreads and shapes mortar or plaster. Brick hammer. Splits bricks and removes mortar. Concrete mixer. Mixes cement and aggregates. Leveling trowel. Smooths concrete surfaces. Wheelbarrow. Transports materials manually. Shovel. Digs and moves earth or gravel. Pickaxe. Breaks hard soil or rock. Sledgehammer. Breaks or drives heavy materials. Masonry drill bit. Drills into concrete or brick. Rebar cutter. Cuts reinforcing steel bars. Concrete vibrator. Removes air from poured concrete. Grout float. Spreads grout between tiles. Paint roller. Applies paint on large surfaces. Paint brush. Paints small or detailed areas. Putty spreader. Fills cracks before painting. Hydraulic jack. Lifts vehicles for maintenance. Jack stand. Holds vehicles securely after lifting. Oil filter wrench. Removes engine oil filters. Tire pressure gauge. Checks tire air pressure. Grease gun. Applies grease to machinery parts. Spark plug wrench. Removes or installs spark plugs. Compression tester. Measures engine cylinder pressure. Multimeter. Tests voltage, current, and resistance. Battery tester. Checks battery charge and condition. OBD2 Scanner. Reads vehicle error codes. Voltage tester. Detects presence of electricity. Wire crimper. Connects terminals to wire ends. Fish tape. pulls wires through conduits. Cable cutter, cuts heavy electrical cables. Basin wrench, tightens sink faucet nuts. Pipe threader, cuts threads on pipe ends. Plumber's snake, clears drain clogs. Flux brush, applies flux for soldering. Soldering iron, joins electrical components. Bench vise, holds materials firmly during work. Work light, illuminates work areas. Extension cord reel, provides portable power. Toolbox, stores and organizes tools. Workbench, provides sturdy work surface. Shop vacuum, cleans workshop dust and debris. Ladder, reaches high areas safely. Safety glasses, protects eyes from debris. Ear muffs, protects ears from loud noise. Dust mask, filters dust and fine particles. Gloves, protects hands during work. Hard hat, protects head from impact. Steel toe boots, shields feet from heavy objects. Fire extinguisher, stops small fires. First aid kit, treats minor injuries. Flashlight, lights dark areas. Magnet pickup tool, retrieves dropped metal parts. Shop fan, provides cooling or ventilation. Tool belt, keeps tools accessible during work. Label maker, prints labels for organization. Marking gauge, marks parallel lines for cutting. Compass, draws circles or arcs. Divider, measures or transfers distances. Angle finder, measures and copies angles. Depth gauge, measures depth of holes. Dial indicator, measures small mechanical movements. Tachometer, measures rotation speed. Infrared thermometer, measures surface temperature without contact. Clamp, holds materials together securely. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel, Infozillien.